inkproducts.com has now released a new refill kit for some of the new Brother printers. This one is the MFC J5330DW. Now there's a couple of the models, and I listed in the video so you'll know which models it'll cover. Now these cartridges are refillable cartridges. They're the LC3019. These are the Super XL high capacity cartridges. Very simple and easy to fill. You have a fill plug, take that out. Now when you get the cartridges, sometimes you might see this. It's a little plug that's in there. Sometimes they're in there, sometimes we, in production they'll have them take them out. But if you see that, that has to come out. Now I would save it because it's the same diameter as the color plug, just in case you lose that color plug. Then you're going to take out the color plug and very simply fill it up. It's clear, you can see right in it. Now we're going to give you a set of the syringes with the long 3-inch 16 gauge fill tips. Now you're going to see on a lot of the syringes is going to say discard after use. These are veterinarian syringes, so just ignore that and don't wash them out. When you wash them out, you'll damage it. Our American made ink does not require that. This is 100% American made ink, and by the way, this is all pigment ink. Brother now uses on these models all pigment ink. There's no dye base, which is awesome. It's a very special ink. It took us quite some time to get it, figure it out, and see how it's going to work. Our ink is guaranteed not to clog the printhead. Now I always make up these little boxes so I can take the cap off, go in there, draw up the ink, so I don't knock over any bottles. Now, sometimes I use a box, little cardboard box to hold the cartridge. I just happen to have this little clamp here, and it seems to work out really good. So I can hold it, I can go over the top, and I can fill it up. Now what's going to happen is the ink levels are going to go down. They're going to go down, down, down. Then it's going to report no ink levels, and you'll get a question mark. That'll pop up. And then when you get that, you just ignore it. Then eventually, if you ran the cartridge out of ink, it's going to pop up and give you a big red X. Then you have to take it out and fill it. Now this is one product, but this product can also be turned into a black tower continuous ink system. I'm going to show you that in another video. This is even the best. I'll give you a sneak preview right here. The simplest system we have ever built in our 20 years, and the simplest system to install. You're going to see that in the next video. But that's it for the refillables. There's nothing. They have a reusable chip, so it allows you to keep printing it, where the Brother chip does not allow that. See, the Brother chip, you can't even refill them successfully, because even if you did, the chip would not allow the cartridge to continue to print. So don't waste your time trying to fill them up. So if you go to inkproducts.com, you're going to get a refill kit that actually works. These work. And you're going to get American made ink. The best